The Sony Alpha 7S series has established an incredibly high standard within the hybrid filmmaking community, making any upcoming successor subject to intense scrutiny. While the Alpha 7S III became an industry staple for documentary filmmakers, wedding videographers, and solo operators due to its exceptional low-light capabilities and dependable autofocus, early technical leaks regarding the Sony Alpha 7S IV indicate that Sony is planning a more profound technological shift rather than a minor, predictable upgrade. The most significant engineering rumor revolves around a transition to a 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. Historically, the Alpha 7S lineup has maintained a lower pixel count to maximize individual pixel surface area for low-light performance. To increase resolution without compromising this signature capability, Sony is reportedly implementing a dual-layer transistor pixel design. By physically separating the photodiodes from the underlying readout circuitry, the sensor can maximize the light-gathering area of each pixel while simultaneously accelerating data readout speeds. This approach allows for a higher resolution ceiling without degrading the low-light signal-to-noise ratios that define the series. This increased sensor resolution enables a highly requested workflow feature in the form of 6K open-gate recording. Capturing data across the entire physical surface area of the sensor provides significant advantages in post-production. Editors gain the flexibility to extract multiple aspect ratios, such as horizontal 16:9 for traditional video and vertical 9:16 for mobile platforms, from a single master file without sacrificing framing composition. Additionally, oversampling this 6K sensor data down to a native 4K output results in significantly sharper details and reduced more across multi-platform productions. The stacked architecture is also expected to yield substantial real-world performance improvements on set. Faster readout speeds will drastically minimize rolling shutter artifacts, providing cleaner lines during fast panning shots, sports production, or high-action handheld sequences. Furthermore, the camera is expected to integrate an updated dedicated AI processing unit. The tracking algorithms are rumored to expand beyond standard eye and face detection to incorporate full-body pose estimation and motion prediction, allowing solo shooters to maintain precise focus even when a subject momentarily turns away or becomes partially obscured. Ultimately, the leaked specifications for the Sony Alpha 7S IV indicate a design philosophy aimed at addressing practical operational challenges, rather than chasing purely numerical marketing milestones. If these hardware advancements materialize, the camera will offer a major leap in workflow efficiency, sensor readout, and resolution balance, redefining what professionals expect from a dedicated low-light cinema system.